Hi and welcome to the how-to guide brought to you by Netangel. In this episode we're going to talk you through how to add your newly configured child's account onto their PlayStation 4. Following on from our last video on how to create a child's account, we will now walk you through how to add the account to the PS4. Switch on your PS4 and select New User. Select Create a User. Now, we'd always recommend to read the user agreement. You can do this by scrolling down. If you're happy with what you've read, select Accept. Get more out of your PS4. So by creating an account, it allows you to download the latest games and demos from PlayStation Store, become friends with other players and chat with them and share all your great moments. So this is where you can either create a new account or you can use an existing. In this example, we're going to use an existing account. Select Next to continue. Enter the sign-in details. This is the email address and password that you use to create your child's account. You also have the option of an alternate way to create a new account. Go ahead and enter their sign-in ID and password. Select Sign In to continue. You're now required to set up your child's profile. This includes public-facing profile, privacy settings and home address. Select Next to go to the next screen. Ask your child to select an avatar picture. This is what we'll use for their profile picture on the PlayStation 4. Press X to continue. You're now required to enter your online ID. This is a nickname that everybody sees, so as it says, don't include any personal information. Now go ahead and enter your child's first name and last name. This will not show up when they are online. Select Next to continue. You now need to configure the privacy settings for your child's account. Go ahead and select Activities. This allows you to choose who can see what your child has been up to. The options you have to choose from are anyone, friends of friends, friends only, and no one. In this scenario, we're going to select friends only. You also have the option to choose whether you want your child to share additional activities, such as videos they watch and trophies they earn. In this scenario, we're going to leave them on. Select Confirm to continue. Let's go ahead and set the privacy settings for trophies. So the same as before, we're going to set it to friends only. Select Confirm to continue. Now select Games. This will show the games that your child is playing on their profile. Once again, we're going to set this to friends only. Select Confirm to continue. Now select Hidden Games. This would give you the option to hide specific PS4 games from your activity, profile and trophy list. As we have no games installed, we're just going to leave that as default, but you can come back to it at any time. Select Next to continue to Friends and Connections. Control who can be and see your friends, followers and other connections. Select Friends. So once again, we're going to set it to Friends Only. Select Confirm to continue. Go ahead and select Friend Requests. This section allows you to choose who can send your child friends requests. In this scenario, I don't want anyone to send requests, so I'm going to set that to no one. Select Confirm to continue. Select players who can follow you. When a player follows you, they can see your post, your new trophies and more. The options are anyone or friends only. In this scenario, we're setting it to friends only. Select Confirm to continue. Select List of your followers. In this scenario, we're setting it to friends only. Select Confirm to continue. Select List of players you follow. In this scenario, we're setting it as friends only. Select Confirm to continue. Select Next to go to Personal Info and Messaging. Select Mobile Availability. If you select Available, your friends will see a mobile icon on your profile. If you select Invisible, the mobile icon will not appear. In this scenario, we're leaving it as Available. Select Confirm to continue. Select Messages. This lets other players send you text and voice messages. In this scenario, we're going to select Friends Only. Select Confirm to continue. Select Next to enter your home location. Enter your city, state/province and postcode. Select Next to continue to verify your email. When you first set up your account, you would have received an email similar to the one showing now. When you receive this email, select Verify Now. If you haven't received the email, we'd always recommend to check the junk email or spam email folder. You can either choose to do this later, or if you can't find the email, click on Cannot Verify. As we have already verified, we're going to select Already Verified. You will now receive a notice to say your PlayStation Network sign-in information has been saved on this PS4. There will also be a notice giving you instruction how to set a login passcode if required. Select OK to continue to your welcome message. And that's it, you've now configured your child's account on the PS4. Select OK to continue. Thanks for watching, we hope you found this how-to guide useful. For more how-to guides, please visit www.netangel.org.